How a healthy diet with premium nutrition affects your health on every level. And that's why Looking Vibrant is the leader when it comes to premium nutrition. And most of these nutrients Mrs. Barbara O'Neill discusses in her video are available on lookingvibrant.com, especially in the liquid multivitamin.
Greaseproof paper, something like that. What about children at school? You can't send them to school with glass containers, but you can get BPA-free plastics today. So you just do the best you can, have a good look at the clothes you're wearing, go organic as much as possible, get the chemicals out of your home, and this fourth one, to be able to protect yourself from zearalenone, try and cut out the wheat. I don't eat wheat hardly ever. Sometimes if I travel I eat a little, and I can handle it because I hardly ever eat it. If someone's got a health problem, they need to totally stop it. And once they've conquered their health problem, they might be able to have a little now and then. So number one is turning the tap off. Number two, your liver has the ability to detoxify you from environmental poisons. There's the liver, and we're specifically talking about estrogen now. If the liver puts the estrogen down the hydroxy-2 pathway, it goes out of the body. If the liver takes the estrogen down the hydroxy-16 pathway, it comes back in 100 times worse. So you can see, ladies, we don't want the hydroxy-16 pathway. We want the hydroxy-2. I'm going to call it Highway 2 and Highway 16. And I'm going to make a list of foods and herbs and vitamins that stimulate Highway 2, getting rid of that estrogen, and inhibit Highway 16, which wants to keep it back in. One is the cabbage family. The cabbage family contain a plant chemical called indoles. And these indoles stimulate Highway 2 and inhibit Highway 16. So it can be very simple of just eating the cabbage family every day. So that might be broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, bok choy, and of course cabbage. High estrogen opposes thyroid function. So people that have a thyroid problem, it can be a hormonal imbalance, and people that have a thyroid problem, they need to be cautious of raw brassica. Raw brassica or raw cabbage family contain goitrogens, and goitrogens inhibit thyroid function. So if someone's got underactive thyroid gland, they need to cook all their cabbage family, because cooking disarms the goitrogens. If someone has a hyperthyroidism, hyperactive thyroid, go for the raw cabbages, because you want to slow that thyroid down. Can you see that difference? Just a comment as we talk on the cabbage family. So now we're looking at what else can stimulate Highway 2 and inhibit Highway 16 is flaxseed. So that's a really easy one to grind up for your breakfast every day. And licorice. If you've got high blood pressure, forget the licorice. Also, vitamin B, particularly vitamin B6, 9 and 12. Now the highest source of your B vitamins is raw nuts and seeds, but if someone has a hormonal imbalance, they may initially need to supplement. So this one's turning the tap off. This one's getting rid of the excess estrogen, and there is a cream called the Anna's Wild Yam Cream that is our third point. The Anna's